Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. This will be our first video on a Federal Signal Pathfinder, and we will be doing a installation of the program. So first things first, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser. In this case, I'm using Firefox. Once you have Firefox open, go to Google, Bing, or whatever your preferred search engine is, and we're going to type in Federal Signal Pathfinder software. So, after we have the software open, or after we have the results open, it's probably going to be the first result. In this case, it's my first result. So we're going to hit software downloads. And then the first option is going to be download convergent network configuration software now. In this case, it's version 3.1.0.17. That probably will change in the future. Ensure that you are only downloading this one. There is another one that looks somewhat similar. It's for the Smart Siren Platinum, which is no longer produced anymore. And if you download that, you're going to waste your time because it doesn't do or communicate with the Pathfinder at all, specifically for the Platinum. So you're going to want to ensure that you do download the Pathfinder version of it. So I'm going to hit the download now. A little box is going to open up. You're going to save it to wherever you want to save it, and then install it like you normally would install software. So after it's installed, open it up. It should look a little bit like this. The first things you're going to do is change it from standard to advanced. If you are using standard mode, you're not going to have the same options that I do, and most other people who are programming their siren, you're not going to have the similar options. So you're going to want to ensure that you switch it over to advanced. You don't have that many options, like I said, with standard. It's a lot harder to do things in standard, and it's just a lot more useless. So switch it over to advanced. I personally like dark mode on this. It looks a lot nicer. Light mode is just too hard on my eyes, and I'm not a big fan of the color scheme. So we're going to keep it on dark mode. We're going to keep it on advanced. Now that you've installed the program, you're finished with that portion. Tune into the next video where we go into more details about opening your Pathfinder and programming it and so forth. Thanks again for watching. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe, and send it over to friends that may also be having difficulty installing this program.